Welcome back to Decorating with Kelly. It's time for our first ever March Madness Home Decor Showdown. The tournament includes the following. Round 1, Pottery Barn versus Crate and Barrel. Round 2, West Elm versus CB2. Both of these videos will be linked in the description as I have already posted them. Round 3, Restoration Hardware versus Arhaus. Round 4, Target's Threshold versus Studio McGee. And then the semifinals, where the winners of previous rounds compete, and then the final showdown, where the ultimate home decor champion will be crowned. Today, the two heavyweights go head-to-head. We're in round 3, and it's Restoration Hardware versus Arhaus. First round, Design Style Comparison. Restoration Hardware, RH, and Arhaus are both known for their luxurious, high-end furniture, but they offer distinct design aesthetics that cater to different tastes and lifestyles. Restoration Hardware. RH is synonymous with classic, timeless luxury. Their furniture designs are inspired by European and American heritage, offering a refined aesthetic with a focus on neutral color palettes, clean lines, and high-quality materials. Their signature look is understated elegance with a muted earthy color palette. Think grays, taupes, beiges, and charcoals. Minimalistic silhouettes and a focus on grand-scale furniture pieces. While Arhaus blends traditional craftsmanship with contemporary influences, making it a go-to brand for those who love handcrafted, sustainable, and globally inspired designs. Their signature look is a fusion of rustic, bohemian, and artisan styles. Unlike RH's uniform neutral palettes, Arhaus incorporates warmer wood tones, earthy textures, and unique handcrafted elements. Round 2, Quality and Craftsmanship. Both brands are known for their high-quality craftsmanship, but they differ in their approach to materials and production. Restoration Hardware is committed to premium materials and meticulous craftsmanship, positioning itself at the higher end of the furniture market. RH uses solid hardwoods, premium veneers, Italian leathers, and hand-finished metals. Their upholstery often features Belgian linen and high-performance fabrics. RH pieces are built to last, particularly their solid wood and metal furnishings, but some items, especially veneer-based pieces, may show wear over time. Arhaus places a strong emphasis on sustainability and artisanal craftsmanship, often incorporating reclaimed materials and traditional techniques. Arhaus materials feature reclaimed and sustainably sourced wood, hand-forged iron, and organic fabrics. Many of their pieces use natural materials such as marble, rattan, and ethically sourced leather. Arhaus furniture is built for longevity, particularly their solid wood and artisan crafted pieces. However, because many items are handcrafted, there may be natural imperfections in the materials. Round 3, Price and Value. Both brands are considered luxury furniture retailers, but they differ in pricing strategies and perceived value. Restoration hardware pricing is at the higher end of the price spectrum, with large sectionals ranging from $6,000 to $15,000, dining tables starting at $3,000, and beds around $3,500. RH offers a $200 a year membership program that provides 25% off full-priced items and an additional 20% off sale items, making it more attractive for those furnishing multiple rooms. While RH furniture isn't an investment, some customers have reported that veneer-based pieces may not hold up as well over time. However, their solid wood and high-end upholstery options maintain their quality. Arhaus has mid to high-end pricing, with sofas ranging from $3,000 to $8,000, dining tables starting at $2,000, and beds around $2,500 plus. Unlike RH, Arhaus frequently offers sales and promotions, making it more accessible for mid-range budgets. Arhaus is known for its solid wood and handcrafted items, making it a great investment for those who value artisan quality and sustainability. Round 4, Shopping Experience. RH's galleries are lavish, museum-like showrooms designed to showcase large-scale furniture in grand settings. RH has other amenities to add to the customer experience, from skylit gardens and rooftop parks to dramatic Italian travertine dining rooms. RH restaurants offer carefully curated menus of timeless classics and immersive locations. Arhaus stores feel warmer and more inviting than RH's galleries, with a more curated, boutique-like shopping experience. Round 5, Target audience. Restoration hardware is ideal for affluent buyers who appreciate classic, neutral, and large-scale luxury furniture. It's also best suited for those who prefer a high-end, curated aesthetic with a seamless shopping experience. And it also appeals to individuals who want statement pieces and are willing to invest in premium materials. While Arhaus appeals to buyers who value sustainability, craftsmanship, and unique design elements. Ideal for those who want a balance of luxury and global-inspired charm with a mix of modern and rustic influences. And great for eco-conscious shoppers who prefer furniture made from reclaimed and responsibly sourced materials. Now it's time for the audience vote. Both brands offer high-quality, stylish furniture, but the choice ultimately comes down to a personal preference. Choose Restoration Hardware if you love timeless luxury, a muted color palette, and a refined upscale aesthetic. Or choose Arhaus if you prefer artisan-crafted, sustainable pieces with a mix of traditional and contemporary influences. Now, if you enjoyed this, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more home design inspiration. And stay tuned for the next video showcasing Target's Threshold and Studio McGee.